short for Rajasthan's dying chemical economy. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Sonia Gatraj back again with the big news. At a time when Rajasthan's camel population has been seeing a steady and a precocious decline, the COVID-19 pandemic seems to have given a new lease of life to the ship of the desert. With wedding parties and never to use regular modes of transport because of the social distancing norms, camels are back in demand to move grooms and their families to the villages of the brides. Camels have also emerged as the saviors of school in remote villages that are connected by roads and do not have the luxury of internet connectivity. These animal transport teachers to schools and even read study material and stationery to the students in far-flung areas. Unfailingly coming to the man's rescue, the camels, though, are in a dire need of help. Their population has been declining at a steady pace in the last many years. The Rajasthan government 20th livestock census reveals that the number of camels in the state has been dropped from 325,000 in 2012 to 212,739 in 2019. Earlier in 2007, Rajasthan's camel population stood at 421,800, but it declined by 22% to 325,000 in 2012. It had more than a million camels, so its present population is quarter of the number. Rajasthan, incidentally, has been the largest population of the camels in the country. A big question mark, though, hangs over the prospects of their survival. Hanwat Singh Rathore, director of the Lokit Pashu Palak Sansthan, speaking to the IANS, said there are many villages near the Baikar where they are used to be 500 camels a few years ago. Today there isn't a single camel around. Listing the reasons for the decline in the camel population, Rathore said to the people no longer have the incentive to keep camels. The young are not interested in caring for these animals as they see no profit in it. And with the villagers opting for newer modes of transport such as cars and jeeps, camels are no longer have any utility. The pandemic therefore has come as a blessing for camels. They are back in the business, wearing bare ties during the wedding season, what became a necessity because of the social distancing rules. In fact, is now seen as a new style statement for the wedding parties. These camels are jeweled up with the nose pins, ghungroos, mirror-fitted garments and the other baubles, making people wonder why they should not become a permanent feature of the wedding celebration. As Anand Singh, a member of the wedding party, put it, what can be a more unique way of arriving at a wedding than on the back of the beautified, decorated camel? He was traveling with the groom on a camel from the Bandeva village in Pokhran to the Kusambal village in the Barmer. Shatrughat Singh of the Rajasthan Cats, who organizes camel safaris at different locations in Rajasthan, put the change in the perspective when he said, the once famous practice of the Lauswa, whereby camels and the elephants were used by the erstwhile royals for the wedding professions, has come back in these pandemic times. In the coming days, this theme will be much in demand as the state opens up completely. Our foreign guests who would love to tie their knot with the wedding profession on the lines of the Lauswa, European tourists anyway are in love with this ship of the desert. The new trend will surely give tourism a much needed booster dose and also keep students connected with the world of learning. The pandemic may just make Rajasthan see the animals that has been there synonymous with the state in an altogether new light.